Welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
What are we doing?
Tonight we're going to make a sidecar.
I love that for us.
Yes.
Actually, one of my recent podcast guests, I was interviewing her, and of course, at the end of every podcast episode, I ask my guests, what's your favorite cocktail? And she said, sidecars. And so I thought, we need to make that and find out what it is.
And we have tested it. And
It's delicious.
It's really good.
I can't blame her for loving it so much.
I can't either. First thing we need to do, though, we want to serve this up in a coupe.
Yes.
We want our coupe to be
I
chilled.
have a coupe. See how cute that is?
Yep.
That's the shape of a coupe.
As
The old champagne glass style.
The guy that's on YouTube, the whale.
Oh, yeah. What is his? Thirsty Whale.
Thirsty Whale.
Yep.
Yeah, he always says, don't be a poop, freeze your coupe.
He's not wrong.
So that's what we're going to do. But first, we want to sugar the rim. And we're just going to just take a lemon and just run the top part of the rim. Don't squeeze it.
You don't want it real wet.
Nope. Dip it right in some fine sugar.
Yeah.
Just got a nice little
Put that as close as you
rim.
can. There you go.
Nice
Look at how
little
pretty
sugared
that
rim.
is.
And we're going to put this in the freezer and get it cold.
All right. Do you have room in that freezer?
We do. Surprisingly.
We have lots of drink materials in the freezer,
Yeah. So
as one does.
So that doesn't take long to do.
No.
We're going to use a Boston shaker here.
That now.
This is the
Boston shaker?
Boston shaker. This is the glass metal, or they have the metal, which the tin.
Is that also
That's
called
also
a Boston?
shaker. Yeah.
Okay.
The other shaker is the 3-piece shaker.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're going to use the Boston shaker. Okay. And the classic sidecar is 3, 2, 1. So 3 parts cognac, 2 parts orange liqueur or orange curacao, and 1 part of lemon juice.
Grand Marnier.
Yes, Grand Marnier. You want to use a good quality. This Kirkland one is an orange liqueur. It's 80 proof. Grand Marnier is 80 proof.
And they're both very
You want
lovely.
a high proof orange liqueur, not like a triple sec, which is only 30 proof. It's just a sugar
Ain't nobody got time
sugar
for
and
that.
orange flavoring. Yeah,
We got to thinking we should do a tasting of
we will.
orange liqueurs to
Yep.
see which one is truly
We'll
best.
do orange liqueurs. We'll even compare some $4
Yay!
triple secs with it. I bet that'll turn out good.
Awesome. we work so hard for you.
know. So 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of cognac.
And this is the Kirkland cognac, which is amazing.
It's very good. This is an XO. For this drink, you don't need an XO. Most XO cognacs are $150 or more. This one at the Kirkland at Costco is around $50 to $60, I think.
Yeah, it's gone up a little bit, but it's very good.
You can use a VSOP or
Like a Hennessy or Classier.
Yeah, something that's in the $35 range or $25 range, and it'd be just fine for a drink like this.
This one's it's got like an apricot and almond kind of flavor
I think
to
pecans too.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Pecans. It's very good.
Maybe we should do a cognac tasting.
Yeah, I would. I mean, if you don't have it and you like those flavors, you should buy it because it's good.
It's good. It's really good stuff.
Okay, so 1.5 of cognac.
Send us some so
Yeah,
we can taste it.
Really? They're probably not into
If you're
that.
listening, Costco.
Yeah,
They probably don't do that.
We're probably pushing the wrong stuff. We need to
Yeah.
push something.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Okay,
It's
so
good.
1.5 ounce cognac, 1 ounce of orange curacao.
Or orange liqueur of
These
choice.
are cognac based.
Cognac based, yes.
And then 1/2 ounce of lemon juice.
Fresh squeezed.
Fresh squeezed. Just squeezed it. Fresh off the lemon tree. Okay.
All right. You can...
So typically anything with juices, orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, are traditionally shaken instead of stirred.
Why is that?
Because
somebody said so.
Yes. I don't know the real reason why.
I don't know either.
But I think it has more to do with getting the flavors of the citrus and things
Integrated
better. Yeah. Can't say that's
Because
for sure.
like a spirit forward drink is supposed to be stirred.
Yes.
I love my martinis shaken.
Right.
And bruised.
Right. So you're aerating it more, and it makes it a little bit smoother at the
And
beginning.
it's got a lot of, it's a little more diluted, I feel like. It has a lot of that, the ice crystals in it.
Yep. Drink it.
Drink it like you like
Make
it.
it how you like it.
Yeah, for sure.
We will
Within
be shaking,
reason.
however. Okay. I'm gonna pour that in.
Makes me a little nervous with glass.
Yeah, the two tins is a little bit easier to pound around.
Maneuver. Okay, and now we need the
So we're
coupe,
going to double strain this
Into the
into that
coupe.
coupe.
which has not been chilling very long.
No,
but
but
it,
it-
oh, look at it, it's
yeah.
frosting up.
It's frosted up. It'll
Okay.
be fine.
So pretty. And no accoutrement
No
for this
garnish.
one, right?
No, not traditionally.
Okay.
You could do it whatever you want. You want to put a cherry in the bottom of it? Stick a cherry in it.
Maybe.
You want a cherry?
I don't know. With the lemon?
Give it a whirl.
Yeah, that's delish. A little crunchy from the sugar on the rim. Look at you, pinkies up. Oh, that's a penalty shot.
I'll have to make another one.
I love
Yeah.
and respect all my teammates.
That's really good. Yeah, not over lemony, not over orangey,
Orangey.
or yeah,
Oh,
orange from
right.
the orange liqueur.
Yeah, it's really well balanced.
Uh-huh.
That's dangerous because it's so yummy.
I'm tempted to try it with something other than cognac too.
Like
We
what?
did try it the other night though with lime,
Yeah, because we ran out of lemons.
and it was delicious. It was really
That's
good.
how
It
recipes
was really
happen.
good with lime also.
It was good.
I would almost maybe try half and half, lemon and lime.
Oh, well, again, another recipe on the way.
There you go.
Okay, well, this is the Sidecar. This is a traditional drink. Traditional drink.
Yes.
Have another one. Thanks, Sarah Milkhead, for suggesting the Sidecar. Love it. Cheers, friends. You should try it.
Cheers.
Be sure and like and subscribe and let us know what you'd like us to taste or what you'd like to see made. And
Yep. Shoot us requests.
yeah, what should we taste next? All the things.
Exactly. We taste things.
Cheers. So you don't have to.